Post more than 10 photos on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, tap on the Instagram application and then make sure that you're logged into your account. As you launch the Instagram application, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen in order to add if you want to post anything. Now as you tap on the post, you can just select any of the pictures over here. You can select different number of pictures. So as it says that the limit is up to 10 photos only. You cannot select more than 10 photos. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go back and then check for the Play Store application and see if we have an latest version of the application. So launch the Play Store application and search for Instagram, and as you can see on the screen, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version. Now it's just that we cannot post more than 10 photos on Instagram over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.